Let's take a look inside Christian Business Almanac. Each month opens with some general information and fun facts about the month. The first item on each day's page is Scripture. There's a brief list of observances and historical notes that include notable events and births and deaths of people who had a significant impact on business. There's a thought for the day, a prayer prompt, and a reminder to read a chapter of Proverbs. Each page includes a message designed to help you grow professionally, personally, and spiritually. Some days have a special tip for ways to grow your faith. Some pages have a photograph with an inspirational message, and we offer color versions of those images to readers at no charge. The pages include the date, but not the year, so when you reach the end of Christian Business Almanac, just start over and let each day's message speak to you again.